The power of Devi Mahatmaya. Om Aing Hring Kling Chamundaye Viche. This powerful mantra is the key to awakening divine energy. The Devi Mahatmaya, also known as Durga Shaptashati, is not just a story, it's a weapon that removes negativity and grants divine blessings. But why is it so powerful? In just 10 minutes, I'll share three sacred stories from the scripture, their hidden meanings, and how you can use them to transform your life. Madhu Kaitab Vad, destruction of ego and ignorance. In the beginning of creation, everything was in deep silence. Lord Vishnu was in yogic sleep, and from his ears emerged Madhu and Kaitab, two demons who symbolize ego and ignorance. They grew powerful and decided to destroy the universe. But before they could, Ma Mahamaya, the divine goddess, cast her illusion, awakening Lord Vishnu. With her blessings, Vishnu slayed the demons, restoring balance. Spiritual awakening. Madhu and Kaitab represent the negative thoughts, doubts, and arrogance that stop us from achieving success. Only divine wisdom can remove ignorance. The powerful mantra Om Aing Hring Kling Chamundaye Viche. Chant this for clarity and wisdom. Now let's move on to the second story. The second story is Mahishasura Vad, triumph of Dharma over Adharma. So, Mahishasura, the mighty buffalo demon, was so powerful that even the gods couldn't defeat him. He represents blind ego, greed, and misuse of power. Seeing the suffering of the world, all the gods combined their energy to create Ma Durga, the ultimate warrior goddess. Riding her lion with weapons in her 10 hands, she fought Mahishasura for 9 days and nights. On the 10th day, Vijayadashmi, she pierced his heart with her trident and ended the terror forever. So, spiritual meaning here is that Mahishasura exists within us too, as fear, laziness, and self doubt. This story reminds us that with determination and divine strength, we can overcome any obstacle. Now, the powerful mantra Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Sanstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. So, this chant is for inner strength and fearlessness. Now, the third story, that is Shumb Nishumb Vad, awakening inner power. The demon brothers Shumb and Nishumb believed that power could control everything. They demanded that goddess Durga surrender to them. But Devi's response was fierce. She laughed and revealed her supreme form, manifesting as Mahakali, Chandika, and Kalratri. With unstoppable force, she destroyed their entire army and restored peace. So, the spiritual meaning here is Shumb and Nishumb symbolize greed and arrogance and insecurity. When you let go of pride and trust in divine energy, all obstacle in life disappear. So, the powerful mantra for this Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri Swaha Swadha Namostute. You can chant this for victory over struggles. Now, how to use Devi Mahatmaya in daily life? Devi Mahatmaya is more than just a story. It's a guide to strength, wisdom, and divine blessings. Here's how you can use the power in daily life. First, read even one chapter daily for protection. Second, chant Devi's mantras to remove negativity. Listen to Chandi Part during Navratri for maximum benefits. Want me to explain more stories from Devi Mahatmaya? Comment Jai Mata Di below.